We are going to finally give back the pumpkin to his owner here. And behind this little door here is what you guys have seen put all back together. But now we're going to finally reunite these two, which they haven't seen each other for 3 years. I haven't seen the owner for about 3 years too. So let's get this thing going.
Dad.
Is it cool? Cool singing seat all year? All year. All year? No? Yes? Yeah. Thanks again.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, go. Probably stressed because he's got 86,000 miles on it now. Now under here, almost all stock up here. He never approved like the original style. Now that spare tire is just for us. Instead of original. Hey, it works now. So there she goes, off onto its own new adventures with its original owner since 1975. I think we're trying to figure out. That's before I was born. But he's had this thing that long and loves this car. So super happy. He is extremely happy with this thing. You will see it at probably the Trans Am Nationals. I was going to try to do the power tour, but I'm just running out of time, so that's just not going to work out for us this year, unfortunately. But if you guys are going to go to the Trans Am National, and you will see the great pumpkin there, and I appreciate you following me on the journey of this car. Now get back to the Mockingbird. I will get plenty more videos heading your way, and hope to see you guys in August.